what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tisha Isabella. Today I'm going to be reinstalling this old wig I got. I washed and conditioned it and straightened it, and I'm going to try to do like a middle part bob with it. Hopefully it'll turn out cute. This is me adding my bow hold. I'm not with Ghost Bun no more. You know, I haven't did hair tutorials in a while, but I'm not with Ghost Bun no more. It's bow hold now, baby. I don't remember if this was transparent lace or HD lace, so hopefully it melts pretty good. Pull your edges out where you want them, and I'm going to add that ebony spray around to melt the lace. I'm going to blow dry it just to make sure that the spray is actually dry, because you don't want to put that elastic band on and it's still wet. I was supposed to do this beforehand, but I'm just adding my color foundation to the lace around it. You're supposed to do that before you put the spray on, but I forgot. My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Oh, no. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge, talking is a slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge, no room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. I'm gonna use my wax stick, and I'm about to go over it with my hot comb to get it flat as possible. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.
I add a little bit of gotta be glue, and then I put the mousse on after when I'm about to do my baby hairs, just so it can be smooth and not crunchy looking. I cut it off screen because I didn't want to mess it up, but I am gonna get my boyfriend to shake me up just in case the bad cricket. It depends how I'm feeling, but today I'm gonna spray some of the black spray on the comb and try to get a straight part as possible. Sometimes this work for me good, sometimes it don't, so it's all what you like to do, but it get my part straight. It was looking a little lumpy right there, so I wanted to go back over it with my hot comb. But yeah, I'm finished for the most part. Came out cute to me, and I'm surprised I even got the wig to look this good because it was looking raggedy beforehand. Thanks for watching though. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I was pretty clear on everything. You know, it's pretty easy now. Everybody know how to do installs. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.